Hi everybody, it's me Sissy and I'm back today with 3 quick and easy DIY ornaments. So let's get started. Okay, so I have one of these clear ornaments from Dollar Tree, and we're just going to take it and clean the front of it with a little bit of alcohol. This is just spray bottle with some alcohol in it, and this will get all the fingerprints or anything that may be on the glass. And this is just a little fun ornament, so take it in the spirit that it's meant. I went and made a little phrase on my Cricut. I actually got this. It's already set up and everything except for the year on Creative Fabrica. So we're going to use that. If I could find my squeegee. Okay, so and I've just got a roll of masking tape here, and makes a good little stand for your ornament while you're working on it. We're just going to get the transfer tape on our vinyl. See where we want to put it. There we have our little ornament, and we're going to put the most valuable commodity of 2020 inside of it. I just have some scarce bathroom tissue here. Let's see if I can tear it pretty. And then I'm just going to fold it up a little bit. It's going to be a little bit long, so I'm just going to cut it a little shorter. Just put our clip back on. And there we go. We have a cute and funny little ornament to commemorate this very odd year we've had. For this next ornament, I have these balls. I think I got this at Michael's. It has the cutout in it. They have the little terrarium balls at Dollar Tree. You could use those also, but we're going to use this one. And the first thing we're going to do is I want to build up the bottom a little bit so I have more room to put my little figures in. We're going to use some of the Cobblestone Village figurines and some little tiny Christmas trees. So the first thing we're going to do is take some of our craft glue, and we're going to squeeze some in the bottom, and we're going to be generous. Take an old paintbrush and kind of spread it out a little bit. Okay. And then we're going to just take some of this little snow that you can get at Dollar Tree, and we're going to pour some in our ball. once we have that layer in there, then we're going to pour it out, and then we're just going to put a little more glue in there. Okay, so now that our snow is dry, we're going to go ahead and put our little ornaments in here. I've got a couple little trees, and I'm going to pull the bases off. You can see they just pull right off. Just like that. And then we're going to put them in the back there, and we're going to put just a little drop of glue. I'm sorry, I can't see. We're just going to put a drop of glue on our tree. We're going to position our little truck and our trailer. Ribbon. We're just going to do a simple bow. Just going to take the ribbon, make a loop, fold it up. That's going to be way too big. Let me make it a little smaller. For this next DIY, we're going to use another one of the DIY ornaments from Dollar Tree. And this is so simple, it takes a second to do. And then I have a pack of these snowflake ornaments from Dollar Tree also. But any soft ornament that you can bend will work. And I've already tried this with one, so I know this snowflake will fit in this ornament, but I got to give it just a little tiny trim because it's just a bit too big. So I'm just going to cut the very tip off of each one of these snowflakes. I'm going to leave the one on top. Then we're going to pull the cap off. And if we take the snowflake and we're just going to bend those little prongs of the snowflake down and push it in. Once it gets in, it'll pop right back out. And there you have a little shiny snowflake inside the ornament. Now, you can leave the string on, or you can, I'm going to clip my string off. Take my tag off. And then if you want to stabilize it on the inside, you can put just a tiny little glue right in the neck of the ornament. Just a little, one little drop. Then press that top piece of the ornament onto the glue. And that'll hold it straight. And then we're just going to put our cap back on. And then you could add a ribbon or whatever decorations you want. But then we have just a suspended snowflake in there. I know it's hard to see with the reflection of the lights and everything. Let me turn the lights. Let's see, I don't know if you can't see it, but anyway. That's it, everybody. That's 3 quick and easy last minute ornaments, in case of emergency, which we just use my Cricut. You could write this on here with a paint pen if you have good handwriting. I do not, so I like to use my Cricut. Then I have the suspended snowflake and the little open one with the little red truck and the camper in it. But anyway, y'all, Christmas is coming. I'm about through with decorations. These were very last minute. So y'all get out there. There's still time to craft and have some good time, because you can always use the ornaments next year anyway. So remember, Sissy can do it. You can do it too. See you next time. Bye-bye.